how to create your API key in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and very simply create your own n8n API key. So for that, first launch your n8n instance either locally or via the server or whatever method you're using. And once you're inside in your n8n overview, you can simply click onto the settings option. And from within the settings, you can see the n8n API. Click onto the n8n API and then click onto generate API key. Once you do that, you can label it, for example, API 1, as you can see for my case, and then you can simply set the expiration date. It can range from 7 days to custom or never. If I click on custom, I can simply add that particular date when I want this API key to expire. Then we have the scope. It could all either be all, this means read only and write only as well. And we have this read only option and a custom option where you can access it to certain workflows, as you can see right here, credentials, variables, data tables, projects, and much more within the custom option. For example, let's say I will keep it at read only, and then you need to click onto the save button, and now you can see your API key has been successfully created. You can either copy it or and then use it wherever you want or in any environment variables. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.